All right, here we're standing with Cash and Brooklyn, and they're members of our 555 team, and they're going to tell us what they did on the F24 today.
Today we installed the steering rod support bearings, the bearing retainers, and the steering rod.
All right, and Cash, what did y'all do after that?
We tightened the 2.5 set screws onto the steering rod.
Okay, so what's next?
The steering rod.
Okay, when you want to do that?
Monday.
All right, good deal. All right, making good progress. Thank y'all. All right, y'all loudly tell me what you're working on here.
The alignment.
Okay.
The alignment of the car.
Why this car?
Because this is the car we're going to use for the driver race. And basically, the
For
alignment,
what?
For our the driver test to see who we can do the fastest 10 laps around the parking lot. So the alignment is whenever you check right here, and sometimes the wheel will be angled. The bottom will be either angled in or out. So like the wheel could be like this, and in that case we'll have to go to the axle and we'll have to change it to where it's perfectly straight, or else the car will not run well.
Okay.
It will be as fast and you won't be on the speed.
The camber.
Camber, there we go. All right, ladies, tell me what y'all have been working on with 000 today.
Today we started by placing our new on and off switch, and we hooked up the wires and got it all ready for the key.
For the key?
And we are also installing set screws into the bearing for the steering wheel.
Okay, what tool were you using to do that?
The Allen wrench.
What kind of Allen wrench?
2.5 millimeters.
All right, 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and you were tightening what with them?
Set screws.
All right, why are we doing that?
To keep the wheel from going back and forth while the driver is driving.
Okay, all right, good deal. And so how many of those did you have to tighten?
4.
4? Two on each bearing? All right, very good. All right, that was good progress for today. All right, I'm standing here with Garner Little and Anthony Swanson of the Cougar Strong Racing 999 team, and they're going to tell us a little bit about what they did today in Green Power class. Garner, go ahead.
All right, so we started cutting our body panels. We used the 9-degree angle thing to measure out.
What do we call that thing?
Or a speed square.
Speed square.
And we use a straight edge, and we use some measuring tapes. That way we know the angles and how we should cut it.
Okay.
We also used a razor knife to cut the body panels.
Okay.
We installed the steering wheel on, and we installed the steering wheel.
All right. And we got how many body panels y'all get cut?
We got 2 cut, but we have the front body panels on the way, halfway cut.
Okay. So you're gonna trim them up later, but you got the rectangles done.
I'm gonna trim them up next week.
All right. Very good. Thank y'all.
Make sure to like and subscribe at CougarStrongRacing.com.